Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to sync OneDrive with your PC. Open OneDrive from the system tray and sign in with your Microsoft account. Click Help in Settings, choose Settings, and navigate to Account to add or manage folder syncing. Choose folders to control what stays local and what stays online only. Confirm settings, let files upload, and monitor the sync icon to verify successful synchronization and spot errors. In this video, I will show how to sync OneDrive with your PC. Choose folders under Account Settings and pick the folders you want available offline. Prioritize work documents and smaller project folders, keeping large video or backup files online only to save disk space. After selection, OneDrive will download chosen files and maintain sync in the background, updating changes across devices while showing progress via the sync icon. In this video, I will show how to sync OneDrive with your PC. When conflicts appear, pick the correct version or rename duplicates to avoid data loss. Monitor your OneDrive storage quota so you do not hit limits during large uploads. Use pause syncing when on metered networks or to conserve bandwidth, then resume when convenient. For persistent errors, sign out and sign back in, or run the OneDrive troubleshooter to refresh the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.